Hello, explorers! Today, we embark on an adventure through the strange and wonderful world of wildlife. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover the top 10 weirdest animals that call our planet home. At number 10, the Thei. Found exclusively in Madagascar, this nocturnal primate has a long, thin middle finger that it uses to tap on trees to find insects hiding beneath the bark to eat. They were originally classified as squirrel-like rodents due to their appearance, and were only accepted as primate and lemur a century later. Due to its gremlin-like appearance and behavior, superstitious locals see Thei as an omen of bad luck and will kill them on sight. Researchers believe Thei comes from the phrase "I don't know" in Malagasy, which may be because locals were afraid to speak the name. Number 9. The Blobfish. Dwelling in the depths of the ocean off the coasts of Australia and New Zealand, this gelatinous creature appears like a shapeless mass due to the lack of muscle and bones. While it might not win any beauty contests, it's perfectly adapted to its deep-sea habitat and feeds off small crustaceans like crabs, sea urchins, and shellfish. Some experts believe the blobfish could be under threat of extinction as they are often caught by fishermen who trawled the ocean bottom. Without the intense ocean pressure to keep their bodies in shape, blobfish is turned into gooey lumps when brought to the surface, earning the title of the ugliest fish in the ocean. Number 8. The star-nosed mole. Found in the wetlands of eastern North America, this peculiar mole has a snout adorned with 22 fleshy tentacles, resembling a star. This distinctive organ contains more than 100,000 nerve fibers, which is 5 times the number of touch fibers in the human hand. It uses this remarkable feature to navigate and forage for food in the darkness of its underground tunnels. Did you know that star-nosed moles can smell underwater? They do this by blowing bubbles and quickly re-inhaling them, detecting odors of its prey through the water. Number 7. The pink fairy armadillo. Native to the deserts of Argentina, this tiny armored creature is known for its pale pink shell and its ability to burrow underground, earning the nickname sand swimmer. Its shell is flexible and covered in fine hairs, giving it a fairy-like appearance. But the thin shell isn't used for protection. Rather, it contains blood vessels that is used to control the animal's body temperature, giving it its rosy hue. This creature is the smallest armadillo species in the world. It will vacate its underground burrows during heavy rain to avoid being drowned. If its fur gets wet, the armadillo can't regulate its body temperature and may die from hypothermia. Number 6. The Shuul stork. Inhabiting the marshes of East Africa, this prehistoric-looking bird has a massive, shoe-shaped bill that it uses to catch fish, frogs, and even small crocodiles. Shuul storks are famous for standing motionless and staring intently into the water for hours at a time. They rarely blink, and the intensity of their gaze can be unnerving. Despite this, Shuuls are not known to be aggressive towards humans. A captive Shuul named Sushi is even known to bow at visitors. Unfortunately, things are not looking great for these regal birds. The species is at high risk of becoming extinct due to hunting, habitat loss, and drought caused by climate change. Number 5. The aardvark. Resembling a bizarre cross between a pig, an anteater, and a kangaroo, this nocturnal mammal from Africa uses its long, sticky tongue to slurp up ants and termites. Talk about a specialized diet. The name aardvark means earth pig in the Afrikaans language. It has terrible eyesight, but possesses a keen sense of smell and hearing. Number 4. The narwhal. Inhabiting the Arctic waters of Canada, Greenland, Norway, and Russia, this elusive whale is known for its long, spiral tusk protruding from its head. Once believed to be the horn of a mythical unicorn, the narwhal's tusk is actually an elongated tooth with up to 10 million nerve endings inside. And no, narwhals don't use their tusks to spear their food either. Unlike some whale species, narwhals lack dorsal fins, allowing them to swim under ice sheets and helps to prevent heat loss. Narwhals don't migrate either and will spend their entire lives in the Arctic waters. Number 3. The Kumander Dog. Originating from Hungary, this large, white breed of sheepdog is famous for its distinctive coat, which resembles long, corded dreadlocks. The coat helps camouflage the dog among the livestock it is guarding. It also offers protection from the elements and predators' attacks. Needless to say, maintaining the coat takes considerable effort. Despite its unconventional appearance, the Kumander is an excellent guard dog with a loyal and protective nature. They are surprisingly agile for their size and are generally gentle towards children and animals. Number 2. The axolotl. Native to the ancient lakes of Mexico, this aquatic salamander retains its larval features into adulthood, including external gills and a fin tail. Axolotls have lungs too, but relied on gills to breathe. Besides their cute looks, axolotls are renowned for their regenerative capability. They can grow back lost body parts perfectly, making them a fascinating subject of study in regenerative medicine. While you might see plenty of white or pink axolotls in captivity, this animal is normally dark brown or black in the wild. By the way, axolotls can be eaten. They were part of the ancient Aztec diet. In 2014, some exotic restaurants in Japan serve fried axolotls too. And finally, at number 1, the duck-billed platypus. Indigenous to Australia, this egg-laying mammal is a true oddity. With its duck-like bill, webbed feet, and ability to produce venom, it dumbfounded scientists when first discovered in 1798. Male platypuses are one of the few venomous mammals on Earth. They have vicious spurs on their hind legs that deliver an excruciating toxin, possibly to help them fight other males during mating season. Fortunately, it's not deadly. As if its appearance isn't strange enough, the platypus also glows under UV light. Nobody knows why they do that. Some experts think the animal could use this for communication, or it could just be a beautiful evolutionary accident. And that's the top 10 weirdest animals on Earth for you. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible discoveries from the natural world.